this is the way to Bukit Bintang guys. So they have a couple of souvenirs again here, t-shirts. Nice. Jerseys here. It's actually a good place, guys. You get pretty good stuff here.
My daughter only want
You get everything for quite a good, decent price there. Okay, so this is like a, you know, a toy store. See the caricature they have here, drawings, souvenirs. 1 for 10. Oh man, no. So guys, I'm just giving you the price. Sometimes I do say it is expensive, but you know, do the right thing, get the right call, and then go for it, right? Because sometimes you never know where you get cheap stuff. There's Mixu. So guys, this is Bukit Bintang shopping area. It's like the pop market that you have. I wonder what's happening here with these people. A bunch of keychain. So that mall that you see, lot 10, which is actually good. So you do get some good stuff there. Shopping and all that, right? You get the best Arabian food here, guys. A lot of jerseys. That's something which I've seen, like a lot of jerseys. I wonder if they have, you know, F1 jerseys here, but nope. No, I think it's mostly targeting the Europeans here because they are behind, you know, football or soccer. That's what they call it. Guys, look at these cute little teddies. And this is the famous crossing street here in Bukit Bintang. This is the craziest street, guys. You go. Oh my gosh, this is crowded. Now this is the view. Kind of leads you to Pavilion. So Pavilion Mall is a luxurious mall with all your top tier luxury brands out there. 7-Eleven here. I hope you guys are liking the walking tour, and it's damn crowded, guys. There's Sephora right there. I think it's a paradise if you kind of want to have, you know, to buy a lot of stuff, right? Then there you go, this is the right place. And yeah, there are good discounts as well, guys, so the deal is pretty good. Shisha, one thing that you gotta try here. So basically I kind of quit everything, so not into that anymore, but still you gotta try it. You do get some authentic stuff here. Even Fahrenheit is actually good. They do have some outlet stores down there. So this is the craziest road that we have. You see all the luxurious goods and the cars out here. Oh, there's a Ferrari, there's a Porsche, Lexus. So guys, there is some exhibition here again. Same stuff that we have seen on the other side as well. Pretty dope stuff. Oh, there's a Rolex there. There you go, Richard Mille, Rolex, Saint Laurent, Tiffany, Burberry, Balenciaga. You name a brand, you have it. We literally have all the brands here, guys. I mean, just take another flight and go to China and get the stuff. I hope you all know what happened in the recent past, so. This is the entry to the Pavilion Mall. That's where I'm gonna skip for now. Guys, this is where I've come to have my dinner. Unfortunately, I need to take it away because it's so damn crowded. So that's a big block of shawarma that you see there. Guys, so that's the biggest shawarma that I've seen. Let's take a close-up look. But the big ass shawarma there. So I've ordered a chicken shawarma. Yeah, local stuff here, guys. Food is a never-ending thing here. I think I'm in a food coma right now, seeing all these stuff. There is a Supra here. So guys, I really hope you liked the Bukit Bintang vlog. It was more like a walking tour and you would have seen all the luxury brands out there, right? So if you are in KL, this is a place where you gotta visit, and every time I come here I kind of show this thing to you guys, right? So ensure that you come here and get that vibe. It's totally different, and try out their Arabian cuisines, which is really good. I got my shawarmas packed and I'm gonna have that right now. So thanks again for watching my vlog. I hope you like this series which is currently going on, and so hit that subscribe button, guys, and cheers. Bye bye.